Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, G Sensei TV. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat po sa lahat ng mga subscribers, mga bagong subscribers, and sa mga talagang sumusuporta sa channel natin. Thank you so much everyone. We are now a finally monetized channel. Yeah, I started uploading videos nung siguro July 2020, and then hindi ako masyadong seryoso sa YouTube at that time, but then when we got here I was able to upload videos para makita ng family ko and friends yung yung life namin dito ganyan. But then I started taking YouTube very seriously. I think January or end of December, and yeah, it's February now, end of February, and yeah, naging monetize na tayo, and nag-apply ako ng yesterday, and then it was approved right away. So nakaka-happy po. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you. I can't mention everybody who has been really supporting our channel. So salamat talaga, sobra. Good morning guys. Naligo ako ng maaga kasi lalakad kami ng may lakad kami ng mother-in-law ko kasi na kami usually nang gigising mga midbe ni Ana ba mga 7:30 ganyan, tapos nagre-ready na kasi si Ruth para sa office. Kanya yung oras sa morning, siya yung naliligo, pero maga akong nagising, so ako na lang yung unang naligo. Ayan, ang dami kong tupiin guys. Oh my god, tingnan nyo. Kasi naglaba ako kasi twice a week lang ako naglalaba now. Dati kasi everyday. So, sayang yung kuryente So, twice a week na lang ako naglaba. Naglaba na akong lahat. Para sa weekend, rest na lang kami. Dahil yung tupiin, guys. Uy. Yesterday, last night, nagplancha na ako sa mga pang-work ni Ruth. Mga pants and work shirt niya. So, yeah. Tulog pa si Ana. So, may time akong chichibureche sa baba. So, yeah, magko-coffee ako today kasi kailangan ko ng energy mamaya. So, punta tayo sa sa labas. Kung saan naman yun inom muna tayo ng lemon water, guys. Char na inom, healthy ba? So tonight we're gonna have pizza. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film tonight. But yeah, Ruth's friend is coming over, his best friend. Hindi ako sure kung comfortable siya na mag-film kami. But yeah, we'll have Oreo cheesecake as well. Sabi ni Ruth to celebrate daw sa pagiging monetized natin. Charot! I said in the previous video that I'll try my best to speak English, but iba po talaga pag gusto mo i-express yung sarili mo in a way na madaling-madali para sa iyo. So yeah, this is my pizza. What pizza is it, Buang? With tomato and
Kaas?
yeah, of course, kaas, mozzarella,
Yeah.
and pesto. Yeah, I smell pesto. And Roots is
My pizza is a little bit left.
Is up.
A little bit left.
And Anna's having boiled kip and carrots.
Ja,
Yeah.
chicken.
Boiled kip
Chicken
and
with
carrots.
Kip
Yeah.
met worteltjes.
Yeah. So, kaon na no. Ruth's friend is not here yet.
Nee.
Nee.
Busy.
Oma Dennis is nog niet hier.
Ja. Ja, goed zo.
Huh? Dede. Ikagahi ani No, I ruined the mozzarella. The tomato looks really fresh, Papa.
Yeah. I don't know where we got the pizza. I don't remember it yet.
Bilya.
From Lidl. No, not half. I just eat the full pizza.
I don't think that was enough for you, yeah? How about a quarter? I know, one. Kuanday. Yeah, a quarter. Yeah. A bigger piece of kleine.
Klein stukje.
Kleine stuk. Because I'm very nice.
As long as you think that one.
Fish good. Yeah, lekker. I have three slices. And my madam is gonna eat two.
Yeah.
Ay, nay, mama lang. Nah, this is the thing, guys.
Yeah.
If I do it by hand, like Filipino style, she's gonna eat it.
Ja, ze is stil Filipina, hè, Anna?
Yeah, she's Filipina. Wil je kaas, Anna? Yeah?
Anna heeft honger.
Yeah. But she just had her milk.
Ja.
That's kaas. Cottage cheese, yeah.
Lekker, Anna?
Papa, kijk papa.
Anna.
Papa. Let's try the pizza doon. It's good.
Ja. Nice.
This is frozen pizza, no?
Ja.
Lekker, though. It's like fresh pizza.
Ja.
Lekker,
Ja,
yeah.
some pizzas can be really good.
It's really good, man. Little,
From Lidl, ja.
bekende man.
Bekende man?
Bekende man. It's good, yeah.
Oké.
Ayaw lang. Nga dugong nagkaon yung mama niya, siya wala. She wants my pizza, dudong.
Ja, she's smart, Anna.
Like mama. Yeah?
I don't.
Like mama.
I'm not gonna
They
discuss
said
that on our video.
More than
blog.
80% of the intelligence, comes from the mother.
Yeah, so that's why you lost 80%.
She's looking at my pizza, dudong. Let's trick Anna, dudong. Anna, oh.
Yes, you wanna go to pizza, it's not.
Lekker. Yay! Good job!
She doesn't look happy about it.
It's really good, Bob.
Yeah.
Yeah, try it, Papa. You can try it now.
Ah, soon. That's good.
Lekker. The pizza is lekker, Anna. It's heerlijk, ja. Anna. Sa Anna. Nee, mama lang. Ako lang kay Messi kaayo. So, yun lang vlog natin. Very short lang ang vlog natin today, guys. Kasi nga, wala naman akong planong mag-vlog. Pero, because nga, na-approve yung monetization natin. So, ayan, napa-video tayo ng bigla. Napa-vlog. So, yeah, papatulugin ko na si Inday Ana. And, yeah, we'll try to vlog, I think, tomorrow if di busy. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Salamat sa mga bagong subscribers. And, see you sa susunod naming video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye. Lang. One. Sani? Bye-bye daw. Gamit yung paa niya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Duy. Duy, Ana, duy. Duy. Duy, madam. Madam, duy.